is our solution, RACR, a solution for housing any type of device that you might be using, whether it's on a warehouse side or the retail side of your business. As you can see, we've got two separate sizes here, and they are designed to hold most share cradles available on the market at the moment. These are modular, so if you only need one today, you can then order a second, third, fourth, and link them all together. So it really is designed to grow with your business and the amount of devices that you've got at any one time. In addition to this, we can put BLOCS software on the devices inside RACR that you can then track which member of staff has taken which device at what time. So as you can see, as I've taken this device out of its charge cradle, we have a countdown timer that has begun. I will enter my PIN. The device is now ready for me to use. If I don't enter a PIN, an alarm will sound on the device, and it will only deactivate if I replace it in the charge cradle or if I enter my PIN. And then at the end of the shift, when I'm finished with this device, I simply put that back in its charge cradle, and as you can see, it's now logged off and I've been unassigned from that device.